For most of our past, humans have lived outside. We've slept outside, taken our meals outside, made and lost friends outside. Our senses, our emotions and our nervous systems are attuned to this world. This is the world they evolved in. This is, if you like, the world we were born to be in. Many of us, of course, choose to leave the four walls of our houses and offices, put aside the screens and devices of the modern age, not because they're bad or wrong, but because despite all that modern living brings us, we quietly long for a deeper connection with nature.
So although we often treat the outdoors as a recreational space, of course it's so much more than that. It's a place of intimacy, a connection, a place where we can feel alive. And of course, as Dharma practitioners, these qualities resource us. They resource us because they are part of what we are. We're intimately connected with this world, with this beauty, with this aliveness, with this magic, and with everything else it brings. So join us here at Dhanakosa in the Scottish Highlands for 3 Saturdays in May, where we will be alive in nature, sharing the connection that we feel between our Dharma practice and the natural world, and inviting you to share yours.